The sales for my ebook, How to Make the Best Cookie Sandwich in the World, are going very well. I think I want my next ebook to be about making the best brownie in the world. First, I need to find the best chocolate. I've heard this company has some of the best cocoa beans out there, but I'm kind of curious where they source their beans from. I'm gonna hop on the site chat here and ask, "Hi, where do you source your cocoa beans from?" I don't know why they have the chat widget running if there's no one even there to help. This company is also supposed to have really good cocoa beans. Let's see if they have somebody available to chat with. This is really frustrating. Again, nobody to chat with. I'm going to try this third site. The chat widget here says available. Hopefully this means somebody will respond to me.
Hello. Our cocoa beans are from Ecuador. They have a very rich and smooth flavor.
Wow, they responded quickly. And those cocoa beans sound perfect for the world's best brownie. I love how their chat widget says they're available. I would love to do this with the ActiveCampaign chat widget on my ebook site. I think this is the Conversations agent availability that I've been looking for. Let's find out. Let's unbox this. I'm here in my ActiveCampaign account. I'm on the Conversations tab of the Settings page. I can decide to have the chat widget always available. I can decide to have the chat widget only available when an agent is online, or I can have the chat widget available only during the business hours that I set. The really cool thing is you can set the chat widget to display with an offline indicator. This is great because it lets your customers know that there's nobody available at the moment to chat with them. You can also check this box to display the chat widget with an offline indicator outside of those business hours. This is fantastic. This is exactly what I need. I'll see you next time when we unbox something else.